Hello everyone. So let's look how market has done today. So if you see Nifty 50 has given 0.68% change. So it has gone up by 0.68%. Then Nifty next 50 has gone up by 0.97. Bank Nifty has gone up by 0.91. Nifty Financial Services has gone up by 1.25 and Nifty Mid Cap has gone up by 1.6. So over here also, if you look, P of Nifty 50 is at 22.7, Nifty next 50 is at 19.63, and Bank Nifty is at 16.14. Now, if you look at the broad indices, so Nifty 100, so if you see most of all have gone up today. So like there is no negatives as such. Nifty small cap has performed very well. So it has gone up by 2.6%. Even 100 and 50, Nifty small 100 and Nifty small 50 also. But the PEs are at very high valuations, 30.95 and 30.81. Sectorial indices, if you look at uh, the least performing is IT, almost no change, 0.02. And the best performing is Nifty Media, then Nifty Consumer Durables, and PSU Bank. Here, if you see, consumer durables has a very high P valuations of 62, Nifty Media at 30.23. Now, if you look at the top 20 gainers and losers, so for Nifty 50, SBI, Shriram Finance, Grasim, and Titan, they have been the top gainers. And the losers are Max Life, NTPC, ITC, and ONGC. So here also interesting thing is that the losers have not lost that much values. Like the least is Max Sell at 2.8%, but the gainers have gained by very high percentages for at least for Nifty 50. So, and if you look at Bank Nifty, the single standout performer is SBI since it has given good profits update in the quarterly results. So here we can see SBI has been up by 7.63%. And in losers, if you look at this is almost no change. ICICI is at 0.78 minus. Rest are also like Axis, Federal, HDFC Bank. They have not fallen that much. So all in all, for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, it has been a positive trend for overall market. Nifty next 50, if you look at Motherson, Naukri, Varun Beverages, they have all fared well. And in losers, REC Limited has gone down by 3.5%. Now, if we look at the most active equities, here also by value, if you look, then SBI has gone up by 7.6%. Then is Kalyan Jewellers and Silverbees. So if you look at these, we can say that value wise, uh, even if HDFC is at minus 0.25%, the value is it has been traded at high quantities and values. So let's look at each of this. So first, let's look at how is the delivery percentage. So for SBI, if you see, let's look at the 5 years chart. That's not okay. 1 years. So since it had there was yeah, okay. So for last 4 years, if you see, it has performed very well from 341. Now it's about 1,000. Okay. Then if we look at the delivery percentage, so 50% of the traded quantity is in delivery. So this is a good thing for SBI. Then if we look at Kalyan Jewellers, yeah, this is a 5 years chart. So from levels of 60, It had risen up to 72 and now it's trading at 436. But then if you look at the delivery percentage, it's only at 12 point, around 11.67. So not that great. There was mostly trading over there. Now let's look at silver bees. So as you know, this last year has been silver's years. Silver has given good returns. So here it had gone up till 332 and at presently it's at 244, and the delivery percentage is not that great, but it's good, like 34 percentage are in delivery. Then for HDFC Bank, here if you look, the delivery percentage is very high, 73%. So the traded value for today is around 2246 crores. Okay. For SBI, it's around 4600 crores. Kalyan Jewelers 3000 crores. Then Shipping Corporation of India has gone up by 20% today. And this is the 5 years chart. So the highest it had reached was around 332 and presently it's at 266, and the delivery percentage is very low of 15.2. So and now let's look at the change percentage. So highest change, Shipping Corporation we have seen, Kalyan Jewellers we have seen. Let's look at this transformers and rectifiers. So this has gone up by 13%. And here also, if you look, the traded volume, the delivery volume is very low of 11.11%. The traded value is also 900. Then silver bees we have seen, SBI we have seen. FICCI, let's look into. So it has gone up by 7.3% almost. If you see the 5 years chart, so let's look at just 1 year's chart then. So from 40, it had risen up to 72 and now it's at 64. So here also, if you look, the delivery percentage is very low of 14.067 and traded value is just 1378 crores. SMEs, if you look, there we can skip SMEs. ETFs, let's look into ETFs. So most important, if you see value wise, let's look at value wise. So value wise, if you see, first is silver, then gold bees is been traded, then silver. So these have the highest value wise movement. And if you look at the percentage wise also, then there is clear silver is the outperformer and the second number comes to gold. Then so this was just for how market has done today. Do your own due diligence before investing. You can look at these stocks into deep and then do your further analysis. Hope you like this video. Thank you.